Well, Dr. Pittaway, let's talk about the difference, the major differences about implants and dentures. I mean, with no doubt implants are better, we know that, but give us some like real hardcore reasons versus one versus the other.
Well, Helmut, implants and dentures is like the difference between a bicycle and a Porsche. Dentures are about 10 to 25% as good as real teeth, which is not so good.
No.
Implants, they hold your teeth rock solid, just like natural teeth. And when they're done properly, that's an incredible service that makes you feel like you still have teeth. Dentures, on the other hand, there's a lot of problems associated with having plastic teeth. They work okay for a lot of people, but if you've ever seen anyone with their dentures out, you realize that the collapse of the structures of the face, the loss of bone and gum and teeth, allows it to cave in. You get that Halloween witch appearance, where the nose starts coming up to the chin and the lips are all wrinkled and they talk with their lips and they lisp and they can't eat very well and never eat in public, if you notice that. So it's quite a handicap to not have teeth, and to have bad dentures is almost just as bad because you can't really use them, and here you are running around with this hunk of smelly plastic in your mouth that doesn't work right. And so a good denture is better. It helps support the face, and you still have something that's not attached, that slides around, makes your gums sore, and generates more damage to your jawbone, especially the lower one. The implants help protect the bone. They have a protective effect by supporting the dentures and keeping the pressure off of the tissue, and you don't get that bone loss response with the implant-supported prosthesis.
And it's the bone loss because there is no, like when the tooth is missing, the root of the tooth gets out of the bone kind of starts shrinking, a little bit like muscles start shrinking if you don't use them, I guess. And is that what gives that caved in, looking like a dried out tomato look gives the shrinking bones?
Well, absolutely. When you lose a tooth, you lose 40 to 60% of the width of the bone. You lose several millimeters in height of the bone. And when you put something in the mouth and take it away, you can see the impact it has on lip support. So if you take away the teeth and the bone, it's disfiguring. The face caves in. You get deep wrinkles. People tend to get yeast infections in the corner of their mouth. These are all problems associated with no teeth or maybe poorly made teeth.
Well, we don't want that. So, that's incredible. So basically, a dentist can definitely help you look a lot better. Makes sense. I mean, obviously, if we have no teeth, we have seen the people start looking very, very, very funny. So it's not just a matter of digestion and other things, and it's just you start looking old, basically. And I don't think anybody wants that.
Well, one of the things that I like the most about rebuilding people's teeth is the quality of life improves for them instantly once they have their smile back. They feel better about themselves. They communicate better. Other people respond better to them. They chew better. It's a great feeling to know that we've helped someone make them smile again. And they can get back out into the public. They can eat their food. They're healthier. It's one of my favorite things is giving someone a smile back and making them look good and looking 10 years younger.
Well, and that's worth all the gold, all the diamonds in Kimberley. And very obviously, a great smile is the best business card we can have. There's probably no doubt about that. I don't think anybody disputes that, right?
Well, absolutely. Your smile is a first impression that everybody gets, and I have many people who are afraid to smile. They hide their teeth. They're ashamed of them. And when we can put their smile back, it's the greatest thing for them because, that's part of who you are. And it's important part of your personality.
Right.
And so, you can customize the smile, but it's good to have one.
Right. Well, here you have it. Obviously, let's not lose our teeth because that makes us losing our bones and in your chest, and that makes us look 5, 10, 15 and more years older, and we don't want that. Thanks, Dr. Pittaway.